I'm Tyson Feagler with Schlagel Manufacturing. I'm the Sales and Marketing Director, and we're out of Torrington, Wyoming. The Strip-Tillage Conference has been great for us. It's the perfect spot to get everybody all in one setting, and it ranges from everybody just getting into strip tilling to guys that have been doing it for 20, 30 years. So it's just a great time to interact with our fellow people. So last year in Iowa City, the big thing was strip fresheners. So we guys were asking us about strip fresheners, whether or not we could use our machine as a strip freshener. So we took it back to our manufacturing facility in Wyoming, and we stewed about it for a few months. We haven't debuted it yet, but we do have a prototype strip till freshener that will unbolt from here and add a freshener onto it, so the customer can buy our strip till unit for an additional price. Additional price under $300, we can add a strip freshener onto this original machine, so you don't have to buy two different machines. You have one machine, can do two jobs. We're a family-owned operation. We have been in the same shop that the design first started out in '93. We pride ourselves in making it simple. We don't have anything on here that you cannot just buy anywhere over the counter. All of our bearings, we only use two different bearings on this machine. So they're common bearings. So nothing on this is going to set a farmer back when it comes to strip till season. They should be able to go anywhere and get the parts to get right back in the field if need be. I would say we doubled our sales since last year, due to the fact of the price point of our machine and the window of opportunity for guys to get in the field. We're fairly inexpensive machine. We're lighter, and guys are needing that to be able to get in the field right now with the weather conditions. It's a great conference. We just enjoy being a title sponsor every year for it.